Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rodeline Silabra, 41-year-old, and I am single mother. I have three daughters, and their age is 20 years old, 15 years old, and 12 years old. And my work experience here in the Philippines before 2016 until 2018 is to taking care of the bedridden old woman, 96 years old. I will help her to change diaper. I will prepare her foods and prepare her medicine. And sometimes we need to go out by using the wheelchair, so I know how to use the wheelchair. Also, I clean the home, wash the clothes, steam the clothes, and sometimes go market together with my employer. I'm not the one who cook because that time my mom is cook the food. There are four members in the family, included the old woman, and then the mom and sir, and then her son, age 20 years old. When my old woman passed away, I decided to work in another country as a DH, and I decided to work in Hong Kong from November 8, 2022 until December 8, 2024 last year. My duties and responsibilities to them is just to take care, main duties is to take care the 3-year-old boy. And the other is clean the home, wash the clothes, steam the clothes, and go market. Also, I take care the one rabbit and one dog at home. There are two members in the family, my mom and the kids only, and then me. Sometimes also I cook basic food only because my mom always outside country for business trip, so she not eat at home. But sometimes she eat also. When she want to eat at home, I will cook basic food like pork soup like that, steam, stir fry, steam pork, steam fish. But sometimes also my mom send me YouTube, so I follow the YouTube. I cook because I want also to learn more about cooking. When wake up in the morning, the baby I will send to play in the playground, and then back home prepare her food for lunch, and then I will send her in school. After I send her in school, I quickly back home and then go to the market and then pick some things I'm not finished to clean when the baby is at home. Sometimes also the baby is sleep with me if my mom is out of the country. When she go business trip, sometimes 3 days, so the baby is sleep with me. But if my mom is there at home, the baby is sleep with her mom. She want me to renew when I end my contract, but I cannot renew my contract just because I need to back Philippines, because I need to fix some problem. Because my husband always hit my kids, and then he want to sell my home. So instead, even if my mom want me to renew the contract, I cannot sign it. It's because I need to fix first my problem here in the Philippines. Now, we signed together. My husband cannot go my home. She cannot go my home, and she cannot hurt my kids. So now, I fix it already. So I decide to back Hong Kong. And then I hope, sir, mom, you will hire me. I will promise. I will be a good employee, a good cheche, work hard, and I am loyal and trustworthy employee. I hope you can accept me as one of the member of your family as your cheche. Thank you.